Welcome to the future of weight loss. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps you track every bite of food, predicts your cravings before they hit, and even adjusts your medication based on how your body is responding. Now, add in a revolutionary class of drugs called GLP-1 agonists. That's literally rewiring how your brain thinks about food. Sounds like sci-fi. It's not. It's happening right now. In this video, we're deep diving. We're reshaping the way doctors prescribe GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro. Whether you're trying to lose weight or manage diabetes or just get a healthier handle on your health, this is one you won't want to miss. Let's get started. What is GLP-1 and why it matters? And imagine a combination of AI and GLP-1s. We'll break down how these tools and how GLP-1, it stands for glucagon-like peptide 1. It's a hormone your body naturally makes when you eat. It helps regulate sugar, it slows down your digestion, and most important for many people, it tells your brain you're full. Drugs like Ozempic, which is semaglutide, Wegovy, and also Zepbound, which is Mounjaro, they make you feel full faster and it lasts longer and it reduces that yo-yo effect. It mimics a hormone, makes many people, it causes dramatic weight loss. But here's where it gets wild. These medications don't just help you eat less, they actually change your brain's reward system around food. People saying things like, I used to crave sugar all the time. Now I walk past the donuts like they don't even exist. That's not willpower. That's neurochemistry. Your appetite and is now in control. Now combine that with AI technology that can learn your habits, predict your needs, and give you personalized advice in real time. That's the future that we're heading to. The AI toolbox, ChatGPT, MyFitnessPal, and beyond. Let's get started with something you might already use. Food logging apps. Think MyFitnessPal, Lose It, Chronometer. They help you track calories, macros, and even glucose levels. But logging food manually, it's painful. AI is changing that. Today, apps are integrating with tools like ChatGPT to make logging easier. Instead of typing in exactly every ingredient, you can just say, I had a turkey sandwich and a Coke, and AI will estimate the calories and all the macros for you. Want to be more specific? Just describe the meal. 2 slices of sourdough bread, 3 ounces of turkey breast, a slice of cheddar cheese, and a tablespoon of mayo. Boom! It logged it. And it even learns what you're eating and your eating pattern. It knows that on Wednesday, you tend to eat out. On Sundays, you meal prep. It starts to auto-suggest meals, log your favorites, and remind you of your goals. Some of these apps, they're experimenting with photo logging. Snap a picture of your plate, and AI will identify the food and give you an estimate. It's not always perfect, but it's improving fast. Imagine pairing this with GLP-1 therapy. You're not just taking a medication, you're getting real-time feedback, learning what foods keep you full, and seeing your body change week by week. ChatGPT, your personal nutrition coach. One of the most powerful ways AI is helping people on GLP-1s is through coaching. You can literally talk to ChatGLP like a nutritionist. Try this. Can you build me a 120 calorie meal plan with 100 grams of protein? I'm on Mounjaro and I'm struggling with constipation. Any food suggestions? What sounds science fiction? It's not. What should I eat after a workout to stay full? Not go over 500 calories. ChatGPT can give you ideas, recipes, substitutions, and even motivation. It doesn't judge, and it's available 24/7. And when you combine that with the data from your apps like Smart Scales, the advice gets even smarter. Some companies are building this into their apps like Shotzi, Gala. These are apps designed specifically for people on GLP-1 medications. They're combining food tracking, medication reminders, symptom logging, and AI coaching all in one place. It's like having a doctor, a dietitian, and a personal assistant in your pocket. Smart tracking wearables and AI. AI isn't just about foods. It's also changing how we track activity, sleep, heart rate, and more. Smartwatches and fitness trackers like the Apple Watch, Fitbit, and Oura Ring are collecting more data all the time to take steps to track your heart rate and sleep variables and even stress. Then it tells you what you can do with this information. Feeling tired? Maybe you didn't sleep well. AI will suggest going to bed earlier or taking a walk or adjusting your caffeine. Not losing weight despite staying on your plan? Maybe your stress levels are high or your cortisol is sabotaging your progress. And for GLP-1 users, this kind of data can help spot patterns. Maybe you're more nauseous on certain days. Maybe certain foods work better for you than others. AI can find these trends and give you suggestions that actually make a difference. The future, AI designs diets and fully automated care. So where is all this going? Imagine this. You wake up and your AI assistant checks your sleep and your blood sugar data. It sees that your glucose dipped overnight, so it recommends a higher protein breakfast. You scan your fridge with your phone, and AI suggests a recipe using what you already have. You log your meals with the AI and adjust your calorie budget for the day. It notices you're nearing your GLP-1 injection date and reminds you to hydrate more. Later, it tracks your steps and suggests a walk to boost your digestion. By evening, it logs how you felt, tracks any side effects, and sends a report to your doctor. All automatically. This isn't science fiction. It's the logical next step. AI will eventually take over the routine stuff, logging, tracking, planning. You just follow the plan and tweak as needed. It's the ultimate support system. And for people on GLP-1s, it could mean faster results, fewer side effects, and less guesswork. Are there risks and red flags? Sure. Now, let's be real. AI isn't magic. There are risks. AI can be wrong. It may misinterpret symptoms or give bad advice. Privacy matters. These apps collect a lot of data. Make sure it's protected. Over-reliance on AI as a tool, it's not a doctor. Always double check with your healthcare provider. It just makes sense. That said, used wisely, AI can be a powerful partner in your GLP-1 journey. AI and GLP-1 are reshaping what it means to lose weight, manage health, and take control of your body. It's not just fewer calories. It's about smarter decision and support, a system that will adapt to you. It's your journey. You have to be in control. ChatGPT might be the best teammate you ever knew, but it's not the only one. If you found this useful, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe, that like button. It does help. And I hope I'm giving you some tools to use in your GLP-1 journey. Or if you're not on GLP-1s, if you're thinking about it, I hope you found this helpful.